fear of wild animals, right? So to scare away wild animals, they also use fire, because they generally got an idea about that the wild animals were scared from the fire, and that's why to scare away wild animals they also use fire. Okay, and they also found that the fire is warm. Okay, जो warm होते हैं, to keep themselves warm in the season winter, they also use fire. Okay, by doing that, they all got to know that these different things, they can use fire in them. So next is the invention of will. The invention of will. This is, we can say, this is the greatest invention of human life ever. Because in our daily life, we use vehicles and other things also. Not in vehicle, but there are many things in that we are using will. Okay, so in that we can consider it the great revolutionary invention of early human being. Okay, so the thing is that how they invent this and how they got idea about that. So ये जो mountains और hills होती है like this, तो some जो roads होते हैं wood के, okay, they're rolling down the hills, and they got idea about the wheel, and that's how they were invented wheel. Okay, in the time of early human being, they use step like this. Okay, जो steps होते हैं से use करते हैं, and उसमें एक for holding it, they were to hold that step, they were concept like this. Okay, but it is difficult na without wheels. So when they invented wheels, they just joined wheel here, and they transport their goods very easily by just pulling this. That's how they invented, and they use wheel in their different purpose. Okay, slowly the use of wheel developed. Okay, and nowadays we have vehicles and so many things in that we use wheels. Okay, so this is it. Now is next one is that cattle rearing. Cattle rearing. Now the another thing they have learned to use and to take help of other animals. Okay, so they have also started domesticating other animals and use there also. Okay. So firstly, they domesticate different kinds of animals like donkey, horse, oxen, cow, buffalo, sheep, goat. Okay, so this kind of animals they domesticated and take help of different purpose. For example, goat and sheep, they were used for the meat. Sheep were also used to wearing hot warm clothes. Okay, horses and donkeys were used to carry loads, क्योंकि वो ज़्यादा load उठा सकते हैं, that's why. And for oxen, they used to plowing field. Okay, and for cow and buffalo, these animals they were used for milk. Okay, so that's how they started domesticate animal and they live with them and take help from them animals. Okay, next up is the cavemen. Okay, how they from hunter-gatherer to cavemen, how they become cavemen from the hunter-gatherer. So okay, so firstly they were hunter-gatherer and they don't have any particular place to live. Okay, but the thing is that they always make tools and weapons for their daily use, right? So to make their tools and weapons, they need enough stuff of good stones, right? To search their stone, they find caves, and they observe that in their cave, if they live there are so many benefits of that. Okay, जैसे कि अगर वो केव में रहते हैं तो they found the enough stock of stone, तो आप उसको वहीं से सभी अच्छा सा stone मिल जाएगा. They also felt sheltered. Okay, उसको shelter भी मिलेगा, and they also feel safe from the wild animals and other scary things also. So that's why they started living in cave, and that's why they have become cave also. Okay, now which is we can also call it the factory of the work area or the factory of the human life, because all the things they are made in the cave. Okay, another thing also they have. Okay, so the evidence found so many cave paintings like this, जिसमें animals के pictures थे like this. Humans थे like just the body. Okay. Humans इस तरह से draw किए हुए थे उसमें. Okay, so many kinds of paintings we have found in the cave, which is known as the cave paintings. So now question arises in the mind that why they drawing such kind of scene? Why they were drawn such kind of scene? Okay, so it is believed to be that if there are some things that which is not communicatable by the sign language, by the sound language, so they draw the scene of that whatever they want to share with the other hominids. They draw their scene, okay, or in the cave, and that's how they try to share that things with the other hominids. It is believed to be that it might have been happened like that. So that's why they have drawn many scenes which is of historical, which is of their time. Okay, so it is believed to be that this scene they try to communicate with other hominids. Okay, so that's how they become a caveman. Okay, in a Bhimbetka. So now how we got to know that they were living in a cave? So we got enough evidence that the early human being later started living in a cave. So Bhimbetka is an example. Okay, there's a cave near Narmada river which is in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, Bhimbetka. वहाँ से काफ़ी सारे एविडेंस मिले थे केव के अंदर, एंड we also found cave paintings also near at Bhimbetka. There are other few caves also found near the Vindhyas area, okay, in the south of Gujarat. Clear? Yeah, so that's how they find evidence that the old people was living in a cave. Okay, now the thing is that the changing climate. Now, okay, later next what happened before the 12,000 years ago, there's a huge change in a climate. Okay, there are huge change in a climate also, and because of the change of that climate, the flora and fauna were also changed. Now what is flora? F-L-O-R-A, flora and fauna. So the plant life we know as a flora, and the animal life we know as a fauna. Okay? So when the changing of environment there's also change in the flora and fauna. Okay? So there were also grass-eating animals and also meat-eating animals. Okay? If we talk about the flora and fauna, तो मैं अभी nowadays देखते थे there are some flowers and there are some plants which is seasonal. जो उसकी पर्टिकुलर सीजन आती है तो उसी टाइम पे वो ग्रो होते हैं, राइट? तो वी कैन ऑल्सो इन दैट टाइम दिस थिंग ऑल्सो हैपन कि जैसे ही क्लाइमेट चेंज होता है तो प्लांट लाइफ जो एनिमल लाइफ है वो भी चेंज होती थी ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम. ओके, द ग्रास ईटिंग एनिमल्स एंड द मीट ईटिंग एनिमल्स वर इंक्रीज्ड ऑन द लैंड ऑफ अर्थ इन द प्लेन्स. ओके, यानी कि ऐसे एनिमल्स जो ग्रास खाते हैं एंड ऐसे एनिमल दोज हु ईट मीट एंड दोज हु ईट फ्लैश ऑफ अदर एनिमल्स. ओके, ऐसे एनिमल्स भी इंक्रीज होते गए थे ऑन द प्लेन्स. ओके, also started taming animals. Okay, they started taming animals. जैसे कि taming animals मतलब कि we have earlier explained that they also use some kind of animal. They also use some kind of animal in the different purpose. Okay, we have already shared. Okay, so they also found many crops that are occurred by itself also, automatically occurs, like जैसे कि wheat है, barley है. Okay, so they observe that this kind of crops grow automatically. Okay, so they discovered and they got knowledge about that, how they can grow it. Okay, and whatever the food production they have done, okay, they also stored it for the future also. Okay, वो जो भी ग्रेन्स उसमें से उन लोगों को मिला था उसने वो फ्यूचर के लिए स्टोर करते थे. नाउ द थिंग इज दैट so the one occupation was arise that is farming, right? Now the thing is that to store such grains, where they store such grains, because uske paas vessels or there were no concept of vessels and all, right? So they also started making pots out of clay. Okay, so another occupation was arise, that is pottery. Okay, so to when they started one occupation, some other occupation were also started which is linked to the farming. Okay, जो farming से related थे, जिसमें animal husbandry, pottery and farming. These are the main occupation of that time. Okay, because they want to store their grain for the future use only, they started making a clay pot. In that they store their grains for the future use. Okay, so that's how occupations also started. Okay, so after that they also started living together. Okay, they become social and they also started community and they developed language also. Okay, the next thing is that the role of man and woman. Okay, so the question is that even nowadays अगर आप देखो तो in the most of time the woman doing other kind of work, the men doing different kind of work, right? Women's और men's के अलग अलग works होते, right? Some of the works are there that they both are doing. So हमारे question arise in our mind कि in their time this kind of thing also happen. Okay, so we also question that कि women क्या करती होगी during their time, how what kind of work men do. Are they both doing same work? Okay, or just it happened that men doing hunting and whatever they are doing, hunting and gathering foods for them, and women doing cave paintings and all. Okay, so many questions arise in our mind. To overcome their difficulties, they got many knowledge about the सिविलाइजेशन. ओके, इस तरह से डिफरेंट वे में वो उसने सिविलाइजेशन स्टार्ट किया था. ओके, जिसमें दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप टुवर्ड्स द कल्चर एंड सिविलाइजेशन स्टार्टेड. Okay, when men gain knowledge about different things and they also develop themselves. Okay, they also found and discovered different things to overcome their problems. Okay, so that's how they started living together, and this is the first step towards the culture and civilization happened. Okay, so next thing is that, so next week about the early historical age. Okay, where it is about the middle of 4th century. Okay, the human developed intelligence is little developed. Okay, they started living together and the communicating civilization will happen. Okay, they intelligence and activity developed more and more. Okay, they became farmer, they made pots, और जो पोर्ट्स होते हैं वो उसको कलर भी करते थे. ओके, सो आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट वर ऑल्सो डेवलप. ओके, सो दे कलर द पोर्ट्स विद द यूज ऑफ नेचुरल कलर्स. ओके, ड्यूरिंग देयर टाइम, जैसे हमारा अभी वाटर कलर, सो मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ कलर्स वी हैव नाउ, बट ड्यूरिंग देयर टाइम वो जो कलर्स थे वो नेचुरली फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स में से बनाते थे. एंड दे पेंटेड द पोर्ट्स एंड दैट्स हाउ देयर आर्ट ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड. ओके, now they want to start they want to whatever in the position they were living, they want to modernize it. Okay, to modernize it, they develop themselves more, they develop their activity more. Okay, different kinds of जो animals है उसको tame करने लगे, उसका use करने लगे. Okay, और making to make themselves in a modernized. Okay, they found many things, they invent many things and they develop many, discover many things also. So that's how they started developing themselves. Okay, then now they also developed language also. Okay, so now the development of language, they are having a language by symbol and sign. Okay, so what a symbol, particular symbol hota tha, using that symbol they were started communicating. So this is also they also develop language also, and that's how they slowly develop themselves, and year by year, after the million of years, we as a human are now. Okay, so this is the basic thing about how early human beings was. Thank you.
आभार।